Everyone's talking about a possible recession in 2025. But instead of panicking or hoarding cash under your mattress, there are a few smart money moves you can make right now to stay financially safe, protect your savings, and even come out ahead. In this video, I'll share 5 proven strategies that can help you recession-proof your finances starting today. The first move is simple but powerful. Build or refill your emergency fund. If a recession hits, jobs and income can become unpredictable. Having 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account gives you peace of mind and flexibility. Automate small transfers every week. Even $50 adds up fast. Remember, this fund isn't for investing or shopping. It's your safety net when life throws a curveball. Next, eliminate high-interest debt, especially credit cards. Most cards in 2025 charge over 20% interest. That's like running uphill with a heavy backpack. Use the debt avalanche method. Pay off the highest rate debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. If you can, refinance or consolidate to lower your rates. Less debt equals less stress when the economy slows. Next, eliminate high-interest debt, especially credit cards. Most cards in 2025 charge over 20% interest. That's like running uphill with a heavy backpack. Use the debt avalanche method. Pay off the highest rate debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. If you can, refinance or consolidate to lower your rates. Less debt equals less stress when the economy slows. When money gets tight, extra income can save you. Start a side hustle, freelance, or monetize a skill you already have. If you have a 9-to-5 job, upskill. Take a certification or learn a new tool to increase your earning power. In tough times, those with multiple income sources have more options and less fear. Finally, take a hard look at your spending. Track where your money goes and cut what doesn't serve you. Cancel unused subscriptions, downgrade luxuries, and focus on needs over wants. This isn't about depriving yourself. It's about taking control before things get rough. You'll be surprised how much peace comes from financial clarity. So those are the 5 money moves to recession-proof your finances. 1. Build your emergency fund. 2. Pay off high-interest debt. 3. Diversify your investments. 4. Strengthen your income. 5. Reevaluate your spending. Start with one step today. Small progress beats waiting for the perfect time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly videos on money, investing, and financial freedom. And tell me in the comments, which of these moves are you starting with first?